a missile.
A rocket, idiot.
Literally, why?
Astro is on the moon, right?
He isn't on the moon. He is the moon.
Same thing, fish breath.
Fish
We
breath?
go to the moon, we can talk to him directly.
Wait, where the hell did you even get this rocket? Ah! You gonna trust a rocket built by Scraps?
Dude, Scraps is a great engineer. She built these TV show set.
Wait, what? I am not getting in that thing.
Lame.
Yeah, you're totally right. It is lame. I'm going to bed.